It may look like an ordinary security code sent to your phone. But if someone asks you to read that code aloud, stop immediately. That one code can give criminals access to your email, bank account, or social media. Here are the 5 most common verification code scams you need to know. Verification code scams are growing fast. Reports have increased dramatically, and millions of people are losing access to their accounts every year. A single text message can be all a scammer needs to take over your account. A verification code is a one-time security code sent to your phone or email. It's used to confirm your identity and protect your account. Never share this code with anyone, even if they claim to be your bank, a family member, or technical support. Welcome to Simply Senior Guide, where we make technology simple, safe, and easy to understand. Would you trust this message? It looks like it's from your bank, but it's actually a scam. Criminals try to scare you by saying your account is at risk. Then they ask for your verification code so they can access your account. Watch for these warning signs. Unexpected messages, requests for verification codes, suspicious links, and pressure to act immediately are all common scam tactics. Never share a verification code with anyone. Hang up if someone calls you. Contact your bank using the official phone number or app. Remember, banks will never ask for your security code. Imagine receiving this message from someone claiming to be your child. The scammer says they have a new phone number and need your help. Then they ask you to send them a verification code. It's not your family member, it's a criminal trying to take over your account. Be careful when a message comes from a new number and claims to be from someone in your family. If they ask for a verification code or pressure you to respond quickly, stop. These are common warning signs of a scam. If you receive a message like this, never send the verification code. Call your family member using the phone number you already have, not the new number from the message. If the story is false, block the sender and report the scam. Another common scam involves fake tech support. Scammers pretend to work for Apple, Google, Microsoft, or another trusted company. They claim there's a problem with your account and ask you to read them a verification code. Once you share that code, they may gain access to your account. Watch for these warning signs. You receive an unexpected call or message from someone claiming to be technical support. They ask for a verification code and pressure you to act immediately. Legitimate companies will never contact you this way. Never share your verification code with anyone. Hang up immediately if you receive a suspicious call. Contact the company using its official website or customer support number. Finally, block the number to avoid future scam attempts. Sometimes scammers claim a verification code was sent to your phone by mistake. They ask you to read the code back so they can fix the problem. In reality, that code is meant to protect your account. If you share it, they may be able to sign in as you. Be careful if someone says a verification code was sent to you by accident. They ask you to read the code back, give a strange explanation, and pressure you to respond quickly. These are common signs of a scam. Never share your verification code with anyone. End the conversation immediately if someone asks for it. Change your password if you think your account may have been targeted, and contact the company through its official website or customer support. Scammers may claim that someone requested a password reset for your account. Then they contact you and ask for the verification code, saying they needed to cancel the request. In reality, that code may allow them to take control of your account. Watch for these warning signs. You receive an unexpected password reset message, someone asks for the code, claims the request was a mistake, and pressures you to act quickly. These are clear signs of a scam. Never share the verification code. Ignore the suspicious request and do not respond to the sender. Change your password if you think your account was targeted, and contact the company directly through its official website or app. Never share the verification code. Ignore the suspicious request and do not respond to the sender. Change your password if you think your account was targeted, and contact the company directly through its official website or app.